Oh, Mrbeast! Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast! Beast! Hier, das können wir schauen.
This is a $250 million private island. Literally anything you could ever want is on this private island.
Halt die Fresse, Unlustige.
Bestie Bros sagen für mich am 14, Bro.
And I'm gonna show you the difference between this and a $150 million luxury island. A massive $45 million island. A $5 million frozen island. All the way down to the world's cheapest private island.
Digga, 1 Euro für eine Insel ist aber auch krass.
I'm starting to realize we might not all fit on it.
Oh.
First step on my brand new island. Here's your $1.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for selling it to me.
It's yours now, buddy.
Let's check out what I just bought. My first impression is it's a lot smaller than I thought. When you pay $1, you get a random pile of bricks. An old toilet. I found the restroom.
Aber er hat Plus gemacht.
A bunch of random wooden poles.
There's more poles than square feet on this thing.
They're actually called pylons.
Let's pile onto that boat and leave.
And as you can see, there's nothing here. So I'm gonna blow it up. But later in this video, we're going to a $150 million island and also a $250 million super island. But first, we're gonna head over to the
Digga, er geht von $1 Insel zu 1 Million. Dieser Sprung, Junge.
$1 million island called Monkey Island. Ooh.
Monkey?
Yes, you heard me right. This island is literally swarmed with hundreds of monkeys. I can see why it's called Monkey Island. What's this monkey?
It's Odie.
Oh, Odie took my orange. Okay. Monkey seafood, monkey take. All the monkeys on this island have a strategy for interacting with people. They gaslight you into thinking that you're friends, and then they steal your food.
You can have it, you can have it. I love this monkey. There's a monkey on the boat.
And if you're wondering where you and your friends are gonna sleep on this island, suspended above the water are 6 luxury cabanas, which house both humans and monkeys.
Oh, Digga, da bumsen wäre krass. Holy shit.
The monkey's grabbing the GoPro, Jimmy. Sir, we need this for filming. I just need to borrow this. Thank you. Okay, I got my camera back. You want to... Whoops. Oh! Yes, he wants your hat. Okay, you can have that, sir. By the end of this, I'm going to be naked. The monkeys are stealing everything. And the monkeys are not even the coolest part of this island. See, this island isn't even an island at all. It's actually on top of a massive underwater plant network that emerged from the sand and water to create this illusion of an island that we see today.
Was?
Is this a $1 million island
Ich check gar nichts.
or $1 million bush because there's no land?
What you think?
I don't know.
I think an island is what you make of it.
And on the other side of the
Warte mal,
island,
das ist keine Insel, das ist einfach nur Busch, Bro?
even a private
Das ist ein Mangrovenwald.
relaxation area and a beachfront massage parlor.
Nolan,
I'm trying not to fall in the water.
I'm about to get a massage with a monkey.
That's really cool.
Notice how all the water around you is freezing.
What?
Whoa! That took a lot of effort. And we put that much effort in to convey that the $5 million island is very cold. And where we're going next, most of the year looks like this. But it's going to look like this. No joke, this island is so cold right now that the lake around it is actually frozen solid.
Boah,
Which means to get there,
Alter.
we're gonna be using an interesting vehicle. We're literally hovering. Yeah, apparently snowmobiles are just too basic for this island.
Oder jedes Mal, wenn ich irgendwas sehe, was durch Schnee fährt, muss ich immer an das Fahrrad jetzt denken. Heilige Scheiße, Mann.
It just had to be hovercrafts.
Awesome. Talk about arriving in fashion.
And it only took about 30 seconds of being outside the hovercraft for the gang to be frozen solid.
How cold is it?
It's 0 degrees Celsius.
It's pretty cold, man.
He more like a 70 guy.
And so they hurried over to these
Boah,
futuristic
da ficken noch krasser. Real Talk.
Oh, this is so small. Wait, there's no room
Kannst du Video ein bisschen lauter machen, Bruder? Ist das so leise bei euch?
for you in here. We're gonna have to cuddle in.
And these huts are able to stay here completely year
So besser?
round. Because not only can they float on warm, peaceful lake water, but they also do just fine in the dead of winter. But at least in the winter, you get a great view of the northern
For
lights.
$5 million, you basically get a winter wonderland.
And while staying on this island, you're given unlimited 5-star food.
I think he thinks we speak Finnish.
Digga.
Tämmönen perinteinen suomalainen.
And even though this island comes with a luxury cabin to stay in,
Oh, this is beautiful.
Boah.
Oh, fine.
Digga, da leben wäre so crazy.
I'll take it. Jimmy, buy it for me.
the gang ended up spending most of their time on the frozen lake, where they were able to ride an actual dog
Oh. Ho, 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 ho. Ui.
sled.
Oh, you took your glove. Let go. This is the best island. I don't know how any island's gonna beat this.
Maybe one where I could feel my hands.
And Carl's hands are in luck because the next island is not only warm, but more expensive than all of the other islands combined. This island is tiny, but arguably one of the most luxurious ones out there. Okay, let's go check out the house.
Oh, wow.
We're stoked to have you as our
Digga, ey. Ich will gerade immer mehr, ob Geld doch nicht glücklich macht vielleicht. Digga, die müssen so ein Leben haben, ne?
guest. We hope you have a blast. Just
Digga, ist das Landweg? Was macht er da?
don't break anything.
Yo, we should try to break one thing.
Ooh, nice bathroom.
Usually, rich people like showers that can fit like 30 to 1,000 people in them. This time, they chose a reasonable shower. When you pay $16 million, in addition to a shower that's the size of the $1 island, the private island comes with this helicopter that's apparently too big for the island. We have jet skis, we have a submarine, another
Boah, oh mein Gott, ich hab wieder so Bock auf Jetski fahren. Digga, das war so geil.
submarine to the right. We have a shark submarine over there. There's almost a submarine for each of us. Boys, do whatever you want. Have fun.
Digga.
Private island. Carl's got one way slow to be.
To get off of this thing.
Mann, oh mein Gott, Digga. Ich will auch wieder. Oh Mann, jetzt bin ich bin eigentlich der Wintertyp, Digga, aber jetzt habe ich voll Bock auf so Sommershit. Digga.
And after Ludwig and Carl kissed the sea at 500 miles per hour, we went back to shore to take a little breather.
Yeah, Ludwig's gonna jump out of a helicopter.
He really is.
No, wait, I'm not. Wait, what?
Any last words?
I love you, Mom. I'm sorry.
This helicopter is taking the boys up into the air and letting them jump in free fall into the
Digga, wie
ocean.
geil! Sam is wild!
This is crazy. We shouldn't be doing this. This is only a $16 million island, and we're jumping out of helicopters. He's about to jump. Oh my God! Oh, wait, they jumped.
Digga!
Whoever said money
Hey, Bär!
doesn't
Hau, Bär!
because I'm pretty happy.
And now the $45 million island. This island is so big, you can't even fit it all in frame. Oh, hey. Oh, I didn't even realize they were waiting on us. I always feel uncomfortable when I pull up to places and people are just standing, potentially for hours waiting on me.
Hello. We have some blueberry smoothies here.
Is it alcoholic?
No, it is not.
Oh, Digga. Irgendwann bin ich so reich, dass ich euch alle einlade zu meiner Insel. Alle, die jetzt hier sind. Weil die jetzt hier sind, die waren vor dem Hype da. Nächstes Jahr, ich habe 50.000 Viewer. Und dann erinnere ich mich an jeden einzelnen von euch.
He's not 21.
Now we'll take you guys up and we'll show you around Royal Island a little bit.
Let's see what $45 million gets us. It's a long path.
The path is longer than the Lost Island.
For $45 million, this island comes with a mansion and its own beachside bar and private chef.
Can I give it a flip?
Sure. Not too bad. And outside of the mansion is a hot tub overlooking the cove where the
Eher 50.000 Steuerschulden. Nee, Bruder, ich bin auf Madeira.
jet skis are. And of course, a pool with the best view I've ever seen. Does this look as cool on camera as it does in real life? And if for some reason you don't want to stay in the mansion, there's 5 luxury beachside cabanas you can pick from. Jimmy?
Boah, da ficken wär krass.
May I? You may. May I?
You may.
I have class. But even after messing around with all of the amenities,
Why are we playing ping pong when we have an entire island?
it's important to note that that's not what makes this island special. All the way on the other end of the island are century-old ruins that we are yet to explore.
Tips on driving.
Oh no.
All right, ready?
Yeah!
We're gonna go off-roading a little bit and head to the back of the island now.
How does Carl always end up driving?
Because I'm awesome.
Big bump.
What
It's like a
the?
safari.
Yeah, you're going 4 times the speed limit. I mean, I don't know if there's cops that will stop you, but I'm just letting you know.
Is there a jail on this island?
No jail.
Oh, there's no jail? And when we finally ran out of road to drive on, we started to make our way through what used to be a village of people on this island over a
Digga, gute Frage, aber ich stelle mir bei solchen Inseln Gibt es da Polizei? Also also bei solchen Inseln, jetzt nicht Madeira oder so, aber was ist, wenn da jemanden umbringt?
100 years ago. This used to be a bar? Yep. Yeah, you want to walk under this 100-year-old giant 1,000-pound slab?
Sure. Surely it won't fall on top of us.
Dude, if today was the day that it fell, you couldn't even be mad.
Nolan, come over here before you die.
And just past these ruins is easily the best view on the entire island.
Whoa.
Ich weiß jetzt nicht, ob das eine krasse View ist, Bruder. Ist halt einfach nur Wasser, ne? Also, naja, ist halt wie, wenn jemand anderen auf dem privaten Grundstück umbringt. Warte mal, was? Also, wenn ich jetzt hier in meinem Haus jemanden umbringe, dann juckt das keinen, weil es bei mir im Haus war, oder was?
Yeah, it gets better. We were driving for so long, I forgot we were on an island. The island starts over there, comes...
Die haben ab und zu Kontrollen und die nächste größere Küste, die dort ansässig ist, kümmert sich dann um den Fall. So kenne ich das. Boah, sorry. Wir haben anscheinend einen, dem eine Insel gehört. Sorry, Bro.
All the way around.
Aber Dankeschön.
All the way around here, goes down that coastline, all the way up over there.
I'll be honest, I personally wouldn't pay $45 million for a big jungle with some ancient ruins, but I'm sure some rich guy will. This next island is arguably the second most expensive island that money can buy. This is the $150 million island. It comes with
Oder krasse Insel, wahrscheinlich Madeira.
8 luxurious mega mansions.
Bro.
And the best part is, it's completely powered by solar panels and wind turbines. It's home to some of the most exotic animals I've ever seen, and took over 4 decades to build. This island will literally blow your mind.
When I think of a private island, this is what I think of.
That's good, because this is a private island.
All right.
And apparently, the first thing you need to do here is wash your hands.
Make sure you don't taint the island with your outside world germs.
I've already washed my germs.
Does everyone who come here gets a coconut?
I mean, they're not running low.
True.
I don't know if it's because this place is so fancy, or maybe they just heard about Carl's driving. But each of us ended up with our own personal driver.
I have a feeling this is going to be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Unless you come...
Mir wird auch eine Insel 3 Euro damals in Spanien gekauft, ist 2 mal 2 Meter groß. Hä, echt? Oder kann man sich Inseln kaufen? Einfach, warte mal. Insel kaufen. Warte mal. Wenn Meeresspiegel sinkt, wird sie vielleicht mal größer. Ja, Bruder, ich glaube, der sinkt aber nicht mehr. Der geht nur noch höher. Digga, ich kann mir Inseln kaufen. Hier. Was? So billig? 2,2 Millionen? Ja, das ist krank. Nur, hey, Retalk, das also für eine Insel, Bro. Okay, die ist aber nicht so fett. Aber ist schon geil. Aber ich glaube, Insel kaufen, Minusgeschäft. Der Meeresspiegel steigt und steigt wegen Klimaerwärmung. Irgendwann hast du einfach keine Insel mehr. Scheiße. Boah, ich muss mal gucken. Vielleicht, ich gucke mal, ob es so Inseln gibt, die in meinem Preisbudget sind. Wahrscheinlich nicht. Der Stream ist mir gerade zu intellektuell. Okay, dann geh halt. Hä, Bruder, ich gucke mir einfach nur Inseln an. 900k! Was? Junge, die ist... Bruder, das ganze Land! Bro! Das ist crazy! Schnapper, Retalk, Digga. Für 900k hast du eigene Land. Das ist ja in deinem Budget. Ja, klar.
Come back. I might be out of my price range. And even though this island costs $150 million, you can actually rent it for yourself. For the extremely low price of $140,000 per...
Warte, was hat er gesagt? Was hat er gesagt?
I'd be out of my price range. And even though this island costs $150 million, you can actually rent it for yourself. For the extremely low price of $140,000 per day.
Wie viel? 140k pro Tag? Okay, das ist krass. Das ist crazy.
I didn't even realize we just went up a mountain. I've heard this is the most luxurious private island in the world.
It is.
The view is insane.
This is the Great House.
But before we were able to explore the Great House, my dumb friends got distracted by a turtle.
There's a turtle? Get in there.
Oh mein Gott, Schildkröte! Oh mein Gott!
All right, you guys go to the rest of the island.
This island is so extra that for every one person in your party, they have 10 staff members waiting on your every need.
There's a bunch of people over there like, here's drinks, here's food. What do you want to do over the next 2 days? And we're just like, turtle.
And of course, Nolan, of all my friends, wanted to take advantage of this.
Yes, yeah!
What's everyone up to over here?
Digga, ich würde die Angestellten sagen, dass sie für einen Tag meine Freunde sein sollen. Dann weiß ich, wie es ist.
Playing pool with 10 people?
They're my hype crew.
Like, you don't have to hang out with them to make them feel good. I will be sad if you don't sit down and relax. Okay. If you need attention, don't make them stand there.
Digga, da arbeiten und leben ist wirklich krank. Denkst du, Mrbeast hat die für einen Tag gekauft für 140k, aber schreibt jetzt im Titel, dass 150 Millionen kostet? Ja, natürlich, Bro. Ich sag sogar, der hat nix. Oh, ich weiß nicht. Vielleicht hat er... Ich sag, er hat Rabatt bekommen. Vielleicht hat er Rabatt bekommen, weil er gesagt hat, dass man die renten kann.
Erste Jahr harte.
Oh, also entweder er hat nichts bezahlt
Ich vergesse mich noch.
Entweder er hat nichts bezahlt oder er hat Rabatt bekommen. Aber Bruder, Digga, er hat sich die nicht für 150 Millionen gekauft. What the fuck?
It's only been an hour, but I'll say it. This is the best island so far. On top of all of that, the island has a house with a driving range on the roof where you can hit golf balls into the ocean because these are made of fish food.
Wow, was?
Oh. You should probably hit it further so you don't hit someone. Look at all those flamingos.
Er hat sie für 1,5 Millionen gekauft und verkauft sie für 150 Millionen weiter.
There's so much I can't process it. Bro, flamingos in the sky.
They're everywhere.
They don't love us unless we give them food.
Also irgendwie sieht der Frame hier anders aus wie der hier. Erklär mal bitte. Also warum sieht das so scheiße aus da?
Come here, my brethren. But flamingos aren't the only exotic animals on this island.
Whoa!
Carl,
That's a dinosaur.
This is so cool.
And believe it or not, this tortoise could live to be over 200 years old. Mr. Tortoise, my name is Jimmy.
Ich bin so neidisch auf Schildkröten, dass die so 200 Jahre leben können. Oder vielleicht sind die neidisch auf uns, weil wir nur 60 bis 80 leben.
My descendants come here. Tell them I was awesome. And afterwards, we got swarmed by a bunch of lemurs that live on this island.
Get over here! Jimmy, I don't know if you noticed that there's 2 lemurs on here.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying not to move.
I'll put food on there.
Oh, please don't. And if you're wondering where all of these exotic animals came from, most of them, sadly, are endangered species and are on this island because the owner, Richard Branson, brought all of them here to prevent them from going extinct. But the most endangered animals on this island were the mermaids that served us sushi.
Mermaids!
Warte mal, was? Meerjungfrauen, die Sushi geben? Oder die töten ihre Freunde?
Sushi!
This is luxury.
Mermaids! Do you guys want
Das sieht so geil aus, Alter. Ich hab so Bock auf Sushi, ne?
sushi?
I wouldn't say no.
Is that cannibalism?
Yes.
It's like a family reunion. Get over here.
There's honestly so much on this island, we can't even film it all. We played tennis, we played basketball, we explored yet another mansion. I did my first cold plunge, you get the idea. There's so much to do on this island, it's actually overwhelming. This one's actually pretty intense.
I'm like actually scared of
You wanna know what else is intense?
What?
The final island, I'll see you there.
Why are we still here?
And on the way to the $250 million island, we stopped in shark-infested waters because I have to pay for this video. And now that I'm surrounded by sharks, and what feels like my worst nightmare, I'm gonna tell you guys about Stumble Guys. Oh, they're so close, oh my gosh.
And the worst part is, I'm not coming out until I'm done with this ad.
Stumble Guys is a free-to-play multiplayer game
Stumble
where 32
Guys.
people compete for the crown.
Digga, wie viel Geld hat Stumble Guys, dass sie jedes Mal bei Mrbeast Werbung holen?
An absolute maniac to do this. Not even Stumble Guys can pay me to do this.
Why are you all here, sharks? Oh, they're so close, they're so close. And for their new season, they went all out with new Mrbeast skins, animations, and emotes. Oh, he's coming right at me. Bro, this is wild.
I want to make sure there's enough sharks for Jimmy.
They also added a brand new level where you have to follow a pattern as long as possible to stay alive, and the longer you live, the harder it gets. Oh, the shark's hitting me. I think the sharks are hitting the cage. Oh, it's rocking. Oh, this is scary.
I also just released my brand new toolkit, so you can build your own Mrbeast level.
This is one of their best seasons ever. You need to try my new Mrbeast level. Plus, build your own, and I want to see what you guys come up with. Oh, the sharks keep hitting the cage, so I'm going to get out of here. Make sure you download Stumble Guys for free, so I don't have to go back to the shark cage.
You're alive.
Let's go do more things that have nothing to do with sharks. Please. And now that I've paid off the debt I've incurred from this video, let's visit the $250 million island.
This is a $250
Ey, das ist fake, das sieht nicht mal so aus.
million private island. This extraordinary island has an entire amusement park with over a dozen water slides. It also has its own hot air balloon and just about every activity you could ever imagine.
And we have it all to ourselves.
There are no other guests here, but out of every feature you've seen on these islands so far, this one stands above the rest. In the middle of the island is a massive water slide.
Das ist so kranke Scheiße.
Even though literal 8-year-olds ride that water slide, I might still check it out because I'm afraid of heights.
But before taking on the water slide, we checked out the other features, like how
there's over 100 jet skis on this island.
It's a bit overkill.
Kann man da hin als normaler Gast? Ja, oder?
And not to mention, there's a literal zip line that spans across man-made beaches. What's the helmet for? What am I gonna hit?
The ground, bro.
Because sometimes people fall off.
This is like really scary.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you. Carl, you're kind of far behind.
This is awesome.
This is actually not that crazy. And if you own this island, you can host over 13,000 of your friends at any of these 5 gargantuan pools.
Oh. This kind of looks like it was made in Minecraft. And it's so funny just seeing my 2 friends in it.
Digga, Real Talk, ich finde die Insel Arschritze. Also das sieht richtig aus wie so Touristeninsel und bei denen sieht es halt cool aus gerade. Mario Kart! Yo! What the fuck? Lori, Harry, Peter, danke für 30 Gifted Subs. Danke schön. Und danke für den Sub 6 Monate im Voraus. Danke schön, Bro. Big Hula auf den Chat.
Tiny speck. For 200.
Danke schön. Was ich sagen wollte, Digga, da wird alles voll sein mit Touristen. Alles. Das macht gar keinen Bock dann.
$50 million. This island, of course, has exotic animals.
Is that a peacock? Sir, I need to take you in for questioning. Sir?
And even every game you can imagine.
I wish there was the 13,000 people that are normally here to watch how bad he is at Cornwall.
Is that soccer pool? This island has things
wie
I didn't even know
geil!
existed.
But something I noticed is that there were way too many lifeguards at this island for just the 4 of us.
How many lifeguards are on this island?
Over 100.
Really? With this many lifeguards, you would have to try to drown.
So I thought it would be fun if we gave them all the day off.
Has anyone ever rented this island before? Wow, this is a first.
Dude, you are leaning back,
You look way too relaxed.
And after all the 100 guards went down, they decided to hype up me and the boys for our turn to go down the slide.
Denkt ihr, man kann auf der Insel streamen?
Boys, you wanna know what's even scarier than that?
What?
That one.
Why is it so terrifying at
It
night?
looks so scary.
Safe?
We can skip it.
Towering at over 135 feet tall.
Starlink, ja, Digga. Erstmal fetten IRL-Stream hinten mit Starlink auf dem Rücken.
This is the tallest
Für das
slide in
dritte Haus.
all of North America.
I don't even know what I'm looking at,
It's like a skyscraper.
but I'm scared. Daredevil's Peak. What a soothing name.
Very inviting. We're so high.
It's kind of freaking me out. All right, we made it to the top. Are you guys just waiting for us up here? Listen to how intense the wind is up here. Oh, don't look down. Look how crazy the island looks. Oh my God. All right, Carl.
Boah, Mann, ich will auch wieder Wasser rutschen. Ich war schon lange nicht mehr Wasser rutsche.
Oh, would you say nose goes is enforceable?
Nose goes impossible.
There we go. Hey, the lifeguard said you gotta go, Nolan. I love you, Mom. I'll see you on the other side. All right, go.
Oh my God, I hit by a truck. Let's do this! You better come down after me.
Okay.
Oh God.
Why is it so fast?
Is it actually that
Mann,
scary?
zeig doch, wie's innen... Oh, ja, okay, man sieht nichts.
I'm gonna do this for your entertainment, even though giant rides scare me.
Oh, NM Keylight mit W.
That is going so fast.
And even though I was basically just drowning the entire time down the water slide, I gotta say, this whole island was pretty awesome. Oh yeah, and
Bro, Business-Idee, bring doch eigene Kekse raus. Hast recht, Digga, mach ich morgen.
one more thing. Make sure you use this QR code to download Stumble Guys, and you can win $10,000.
Nö.